skateboard style is the fastest.
You got 3 on there.
Why do they have 3 people on this boat? That's crazy. Number 1. That was my pick. Number 1.
You got this, number 1.
She could still.
You got it. Go, girl, you go. Awesome.
Awesome! She did it.
Awesome! Yeah,
I guess they put a lot of tape on the bottom. That helped.